8th class. Now here we will talk about the third and last example of the chemical reaction, that is the formation of the water. So class, whenever we are just talking about the formation of the water, so the formation of the water takes place when the hydrogen reacts with the oxygen. Now class, just look at this. Here the 2 moles of the diatomic hydrogen, that is H2, in the gas form reacts with the 1 mole of the oxygen. Now class, what is mean by 2 moles of the hydrogen gas? It means that there are 2 molecules of the diatomic hydrogen reacts with the 1 molecule of the diatomic oxygen. Just look at this. Here there are total number of the hydrogen is 4. So class, just look at this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It means that there are 2 diatomic hydrogen molecule take part in that reaction when they reacts with the 1 molecules of the diatomic oxygen. So the rearrangement takes place, and as a result of the rearrangement, the 2 molecules of the water or the 2 moles of the water are produced. Just look at this. Here this is the 1 molecule of the water with the formula H2O. Now here this is the second molecule of the water that is formed. So here we will collectively write like that, 2 moles of the water. So class, whenever the 2 moles of the diatomic hydrogen reacts with the 1 mole or the 1 molecule of the diatomic oxygen, so it get converted into the 2 moles of the water, and there will be the formation of the 2 molecules of the water takes place. Now class, in that reaction the hydrogen and the oxygen act as a reactant because they react together, they rearrange themselves and get converted into the new substance, that is actually the formation of the water takes place. So here the water act as a product that is formed by the reaction or the rearrangement between the hydrogen and the oxygen, and the hydrogen and the oxygen act as a reactant.